Hello, I'm Terrel Platt with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by the American Gelbvieh Association. The coal market has followed the typical seasonal pattern this year, rallying from the January lows through the spring and into late summer. Reduced beef cow slaughter compared to last year, paired with higher 90s trim prices as demand remains robust, have resulted in notably higher prices. Coal cow values serve as a supplemental source of revenue for producers. Developing a plan for when to sell cows can prove rewarding based upon the typical market pattern while also being aware of the current stage of the cattle cycle. From now through the end of the year, more cows make their way through auction barns as herd culling decisions are made, with older females and open cows generally leaving the herd. More times than not, this tends to lead to a lower price pattern starting in late August or early September for coal values as supplies increase. In most years, producers that have the ability to make culling decisions early can take advantage of prices before they start to move lower. The average decline in price is around 20% from the first half high of the year to the second half low of the year. This year, the first half high was $105 per hundredweight, and a 20% decline would imply prices have risked back to the mid-80s. However, the break is expected to be smaller than average this year, as the beef cow inventory is historically tight and producers seek to maintain cow herd numbers this fall. Prices on a U.S. average basis are expected to be well supported between $90 and $100 through the end of a year. Additionally, any improvements in precipitation in key regions across the country would raise the potential for higher price support. Another option for producers who are not able to market cows early is to carry open or older cows through the winter into early spring if feed costs and resources allow for adding weight economically. Not only will cull cows increase in value due to increased weight, but prices tend to make another push higher from January into March. Turning to this week's markets, moderate to active trade occurred in the north, mainly at 185 to 187 live, which is 1 to 3 softer than, and primarily 292 to 295 dressed, which is steady to $3 lower than last week. Moderate trade occurred in the south at 179 live, which is $1 lower than last week. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.